Welcome to Kaiko Lessons. The chapter which we are going to discuss today is A, and the. Nothing but articles. And this is Prithvi Vinod who is going to present you this video. Look at the picture. Make a list of all naming words. Father, mother, cat, windowsill, newspaper, apple, cat, birds, girl, dress, and table are the naming words in the pictures. Read these sentences. Notice the underlined words. Shika is wearing a red and blue dress. Grandpa is reading the newspaper. Ronak is eating an apple. Father is holding a cat. Mother is painting the flower pot. Two birds are sitting on the windowsill. Uses of a and an. What do you notice in the sentences given on the previous page? All the naming words have a, an or the before them. You can see here. A red and blue dress, the newspaper, an apple, a cat, the flower pot, the windowsill. In this, a, an and the are placed before the naming words. The word a is used before a naming word, that is one, and begins with consonant sound. Example, a boy, a girl, a dog, a book, and a woman. The word an is used before a naming word, that is one, and begins with vowel sound. What are the vowel letters? A, E, I, O and U. Examples, an apple, an elephant, an ink pot, an orange, and an uncle. Uses of the. The is used before a naming word that has been talked about before. Example, I have a new bicycle. Papa bought the bicycle for my birthday. We have talked about the bicycle in the first sentence. Therefore, in the second sentence, we use the to refer to the same bicycle. The is used before a naming word that has been made known to the reader or listener. Examples, the book on the table, the hat I wear. Before the names of rivers, seas and oceans. Examples, the Yamuna River, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean. Before the names of famous buildings and monuments. Example, the Red Fort, the White House, the Eiffel Tower. Before the names of things that are unique. Examples, the sun, the moon, the earth and the universe. And before the names of religious texts. Examples, the Bible, the Ramayana and the Gita. Workout. Write a or an before these words correctly. An octopus, a piano, a starfish, a fort, an island, an alligator, a computer, a spider, an World Cup, a clown. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Our neighbors have a cat and a dog. Mother baked a delicious cake yesterday. The cake had nuts and cherries on top. I bought an umbrella to go out in the rain. The ink in my pen is pink. Neeta was bitten by an ant. The ant had crawled on her hand. We wanted to go to the Agra to see the Taj Mahal. Tick the correct sentence and put a cross against the incorrect sentences. Rewrite the incorrect sentences by using a, an or the correctly. Kirti drew a blue kite sailing in the sky. The sentence is right. We went to play in an park. We went to play in the park. A shop on the corner is open. The shop on the corner is open. I want a ticket to Dehradun. How much does an ticket cost? I want a ticket to Dehradun. How much does the ticket cost? It is based on rule A. You can refer to the rules. Maria reads a Bible every day. Maria reads the Bible every day. It is based on rule F. That is using the before religious texts. Our ship crossed the Pacific Ocean in 5 days. Our ship crossed the Pacific Ocean in 5 days. Rule C. That is, using the before ocean, seas and river. Time for a game. Find as many naming words as you can in the given crossword. Write them in the correct column. The student who writes the most word in less than 2 minutes is the winner. Which all words comes under A? A spider, a dog, a cat, a bird, a lion, a piano, and a chair. Which all words comes under an umbrella, an aeroplane, an igloo, an orange, an elephant, an army. Which all words comes under the sun, the moon, the earth. Thank you, kids.